like a team. No need to rush, no need to race.